car won't start.
Right.
It's still not starting.
Hi guys, it's Sam. Welcome to the new daily vlog.
I probably shouldn't be doing this right now because I really have to go. A funny thing just happened. So Chloe comes into my room and wakes me up and goes, "Are you going to school?" I'm like, "Yeah." "Why?" She's like, "Well, it's 7:20. I'm like, "Oh crap." Like, if you watch any of my other videos, you see that it's always like 7:24, and I'm like, we're about to leave. And I wasn't like dressed at all. So I literally just went, got a shower and got dressed all in 10 minutes. It's 7:30 now.
What are you doing? Taking a picture of Chloe?
Yeah, I'm zooming in on her face.
Yeah.
Bye, Chloe. Is it on you?
Yeah. Hey guys, it's Kayla.
Is that what you're gonna do?
No.
Are you looking there or there?
Bye.
She goes to the library every day.
Every day.
I hope you don't get picked.
I hope you are nicer to me in the future.
Did you get picked?
No, I didn't get picked.
Hello, Sam's vlogs. Like a little bit of a mess today. Hello. Subscribe to me. Sam loves his new camera, obviously. It's pretty dope. Oh, look at that lighting. That's really bright.
I guess you're gonna be the ending. I guess you're gonna be the ending and the beginning of my video.
Yep.
Thanks. I don't have to end this then.
Hello, Sam's dog. Nice to see you. You don't have a dog, do you? Hi, Sam's cat.
I don't have a cat.
Hi, Sam's mom.
Oh, I have a mom. She was in my video yesterday.
Oh, hi. Hi, Jack.
You know his name.
I do.
Talk to him once.
Hi.
I'm not gonna,
No,
I
you're not
almost
gonna
said it.
say
I almost said it. Something like that.
I went to Disney.
Yeah, she just got back from Disney, huh? What do you do?
Ready?
Oh, you stopped.
When in doubt, just make a video about it.
Right.
The car won't
He's
start.
gonna have to make it tomorrow.
The car won't start still. Look, it's my high school. But we got Andrew to come and get us. Where is it? I don't know whose car he's bringing.
Who's sitting behind us?
I don't know. Alright, so basically we got the car running. I didn't really feel like recording it because it was my neighbor Andrew and his stepdad that I don't ever like feel like putting on camera. So we are going right now. The battery is actually all like corroded, or not corroded, has all this like blue mold on it. So we're taking it to get a new battery right now. Is this it? Yep. Okay. And I got my wallet. Okay.
Got your wallet?
Yeah.
Alright.
So it was kind of crazy. I was kind of like putting random clips in. So basically what happened was I got off school, right? It was like, so I get off at 2:30. So I walk outside and I like heard like a noise, like kind of like a ticking noise, and I was like, what is that? And then I realized that it was the car. So I got in and it wasn't working. So we were just sitting there and my mom was trying to like turn the key to get it to start, and we were just trying, and we just couldn't figure out what to do. And my dad was in a meeting, so I tried to call him twice and he wasn't answering, and then he texted me and he was in a meeting. And so I was like, my mom was on the phone with AAA, which is like the car service to come help, and she was just on hold. So like she was calling, because I was calling other people and texting people that we know to see if they could come and help. Once we figured out that we needed to jump it, and then so oh, here she comes. Basically texting everybody, and then I found that my neighbor Andrew was home, so he came and jumped it, and then we figured out that it needs a new battery. So we're at the car dealership trying to get a new battery, and yeah. What?
Come with me, buddy.
Oh, okay. Alright. They're gonna go do it now. We got it fixed.
We fixed the car.
It works perfectly now. We're finally home now. All they had to do was replace the battery. Look what I made. Hey! What are you doing? What are you watching?
Watching James Gordon.
What the heck? That's so funny. Ha ha. Ha ha. Ah! 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 Chloe! How you doing?
I'm okay. What?
Hey, look at yourself. Well, I'm gonna go outside real quick in the back and see if it's actually like solid or not. Put my boots on. Just stand outside. Oh, this is so icy. Oh my gosh, look how perfect it is. Oh my gosh, it's solid. Oh look, they're home. Hey! Oh! I came to see if the snow was all frozen, and it is. I can walk straight on the snow. Oh my gosh, look over here. It's literally like, I don't know if you can tell. It kind of goes up like right here, and then it goes down and then back up. Oh, let me try to show you. Oh my gosh. Let's see what happens if I slide on my butt. Ready? It's solid ice. You can be on my video. Say hi. I cooked the hot dogs for a little bit too long now, they're ginormous.
I did that the other day, but then they shrunk down by the time we all started to eat them.
Oh, come on, you're so close. 75% done. So I have this permission slip because we're going on a field trip to Kutztown University. It's a college in Pennsylvania. And I need my dad to sign it because it's due tomorrow. And the funny thing is, he always says, leave it on the kitchen table, which is right here. I forgot to tell him about it, so I wrote him this little letter to ask him to sign it. I'll check back in tomorrow to see if he actually signed it. Wow, so even shooting all day, this battery has lasted me like literally all day. I've used one battery so far. My other one I have, it's fully charged. It's just, right now it's 11:02. I put this battery in literally at like 7 o'clock when I woke up, and it's lasted me all day. So that's just amazing. Like right now it's blinking red. So I think I'm gonna end my video here.
Thanks for watching my video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and check out all my links in the description. Also subscribe to my best friend Abby. She's perfect and I love her. She's great. Yeah.